speaks about really rebuilding confidence in either it's your work or your craft. Like you've perhaps been learning that hard work doesn't always mean that instant reward, you know, especially after perhaps some sort of setback or uncertainty. You know, with the yeah, with the with the five of, I want to say five of pentacles, but it's the five of cups. So perhaps there's a bit of scarcity or lack, but with the five of cups, it shows maybe a little bit of there was some sort of disappointment, a plan, a job, or maybe it even could be a little bit of motivation that slipped away. You know, the energy does feel like a really also a sort of powerful rebirth in your work and your purpose, especially after perhaps really a period where something didn't quite turn out maybe as you hoped, you know. But I'm hearing from Spirit that don't let what didn't work distract you from what is being rebuilt.